Hello class 12th. Today I am going to continue with this chapter number 13, Principle and Processes of Biotechnology. Now today's topic is cloning. Okay, as you know, using genetic engineering technique, it is possible to isolate and clone single copy of a gene or a DNA segment into definite number of copies, all identical. ठीक है, जितनी copies होंगी all identical, same. Okay, all identical, and this technique is called the gene cloning. This technique is called the gene cloning. Okay, what is gene cloning? Isolate and clone single copy of a gene or a DNA segment into a indefinite number of copies which are all identical. This process is called gene cloning. Okay, now with this technique, genes can be isolated, cloned and characterized. This technique has led to significant progress in all areas of cell and molecular biology, and to facilitate cloning into a vector. Okay, the following features, the given features is in your book are necessary. Okay, what are that features? First one is ORI. ORI, origin of replication. ORI means origin of replication. Origin of replication. This is the first feature. Now second feature, that is selectable marker. It is a 2 marks question in the board examination. Okay. Selectable markers or marker. Now second one, next one, that is cloning sites. Cloning sites. Okay, cloning site basically have two type. It depends upon the antibiotic resistant gene and blue white selection. Okay, cloning sites depends on antibiotic resistance selection, and second one, blue white selection. Blue white selection. Okay, blue white selection, it is of 2 marks question in the board examination. Short note on, write a short note on blue white selection and antibiotic resistant selection. Okay, or write a short note on selectable marker. Question will come like this in the examination. Now next one, fourth one, that is vectors for cloning gene in plant and animals. Vectors for cloning gene in plants and animals. Okay, these are 4. First one, these are the basically to facilitate cloning into a vector. The following features, these features are necessary. Okay, why these features are necessary? To facilitate cloning into a vector. ठीक है, क्लोनिंग को वेक्टर में फैसिलिटेट करने के लिए ये फीचर्स चाहिए. फर्स्ट वन इज ओरिजिन ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन होना चाहिए, सेकंड सेलेक्टेबल मार्कर, थर्ड क्लोनिंग साइट्स, and fourth one, vectors for cloning gene in plant and animal. Now first one, that is ORI. What is this ORI? That is origin of replication. This is a sequence from where replication starts, and any piece of DNA when linked to the sequence can be made to replicate within the host cell. Understand it? This is a sequence from where replication starts, and any piece of DNA when linked to the sequence can be made to replicate within the host cell. This sequence is also responsible for controlling the copy number of the linked DNA. Now second one, selectable marker. It in addition to ORI, the vector requires a selectable marker. ठीक है, वेक्टर में ORI तो होना चाहिए, ओरिजिन ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन, जहाँ से रेप्लिकेशन स्टार्ट होगा. उसके बाद क्या चाहिए हमें, उसका फीचर, दैट इज सेलेक्टेबल मार्कर. आफ्टर दैट ORI. Okay, which helps to identify and eliminate non-transformants and selectively permitting the growth of the transformants. Okay, And normally the genes encoding resistant to antibiotics such as ampicillin and chloramphenicol, tetracycline, keramycin are useful selectable marker. Okay, example of selectable markers are ampicillin, tetracycline or keramycin are the antibiotics है ना, which are used as a selectable marker here. ठीक है, जो क्या करते हैं, जो नॉन ट्रांसफॉर्मेंट्स हैं उनको एलिमिनेट करते हैं एंड ट्रांसफॉर्मेंट्स की ग्रोथ को प्रमोट करते हैं. ओके, some antibiotics are the good examples of selectable marker like ampicillin, chloramphenicol, tetracycline and keramycin are useful selectable marker for E. coli. The normal E. coli cells do not carry resistant against any of these antibiotics. Now next one, that is cloning sites. To link the alien DNA, the vectors need to recognition sites, preferably single, for the commonly used restriction enzyme. Presence of more than one recognition site within the vector generates several fragments which complicate the gene cloning. The ligation of alien DNA is carried out at a restriction site present in one or the two antibiotic resistant gene. Now first one, that is antibiotic resistant selection, and second is blue white selection. Now what is this antibiotic? This one is important, blue white. Antibiotic resistant selection, when we ligate a foreign DNA to DNA at the BAM H1 site. ठीक है, BAM H1 site. हाँ, okay. This one is vector. Okay, इसका PBR322 का site है, cloning site है. Okay. Tetracycline resistant gene in the vector PBR32, the recombinant plasmid will lose the tetracycline resistant due to the insertion of foreign DNA, but can still be selected out from non-recombinant one by plating the transforms on ampicillin containing medium. Now next one, that is blue-white selection. Selection of recombinants due to inactivation of antibiotics is a cumbersome procedure because it requires a simultaneously plating on two plates having different antibiotics. To solve the problem, alternative selective markers are developed which differentiate recombinants and non-recombinants. ठीक है, दो तरह के markers हम बनाएंगे, which one is selectable or recombinants and non-recombinants type. On the basis of their ability to produce color in the presence of chromogenic substance, recombinant DNA is inserted with the coding sequence of an enzyme beta galactosidase. Which enzyme? Beta galactosidase. Okay, beta galactosidase, and this inactivates the enzymes. A process referred to as insertional inactivation. The presence of chromogenic substrate gives blue color colonies if the plasmid in the bacteria does not have an insert. Presence of insert result into the insertion inactivation of the enzyme and the colonies do not produce any color. These are identified as recombinant colonies. ठीक है, जो नहीं करती हैं color produce, that is recombinant colonies. Now next one, vectors for cloning gene in plants and animals. The tumor inducing plasmid, that is TI plasmid. TI, tumor inducing, I for inducing plasmid. Okay. Agrobacterium, tumefaciens and retrovirus are good vectors for cloning genes in plants and animals respectively. Okay. Retrovirus for animals and Agrobacterium tumefaciens for plants. Now next one, that is processes of recombinant DNA technology. Process of recombinant DNA technology. Process of recombinant DNA technology. Now first one, that is to isolate isolation of the genetic material. First step, isolation of genetic material. Second one, cutting of DNA at a specific location. Cutting of DNA at specific location or locations. Now third one, amplification of gene of interest. Amplification of gene of interest using PCR. Using PCR. What is the full form here of PCR? Polymerase chain reaction. Polymerase chain reaction. ओके, पीसीआर को यूज करके हम उसको एम्पलीफाई करेंगे जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट को. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, इंसर्शन ऑफ रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए इनटू द होस्ट सेल. Of recombinant DNA into host cell or organism. Okay, now fifth point, obtaining the foreign gene product. Obtaining the foreign gene product. Okay, now here are 5 steps for the process of recombinant DNA technology. Okay, first is isolation of the genetic material. Now second one is cutting of the DNA at a specific location. सबसे पहले हम gene of interest को identify करेंगे, isolate करेंगे. After that, cut that particular location with the help of restriction enzyme. एंड हम उसके बाद एक प्रोसेस यूज़ करेंगे, दैट इज़ एम्पलीफिकेशन. उसकी मल्टीपल कॉपीज़ बनाएंगे बाय यूजिंग दिस टेक्निक, दैट इज़ पीसीआर, पॉलीमरेज चेन रिएक्शन, और उसके मल्टीपल कॉपीज़ बनाएंगे. सपोज हमारे पास अगर एक डीएनए है और प्रोसेस में इतना छोटा होता है, हैंडलिंग में अगर वो कहीं एक हो गया या लॉस्ट हो गया तो फिर हमें पूरी प्रोसेस फिर से करनी पड़ेगी. तो नाउ वी amplify that particular DNA by using this technique, polymerase chain reaction. After that, we use that insertion of recombinant DNA into the host cell, now obtaining the foreign gene product. Okay. Now first one, isolation of isolation of the genetic material, that is DNA. DNA is the genetic material of the most organism, as you know. In order to cut the DNA with restriction enzyme, it need to be in pure form, free from other macromolecules such as RNA, protein, polysaccharides and lipid. This is achieved by treating the bacterial cell, plant, animal tissue with enzymes such as lysozyme and cellulase. Lysozyme bacteria के लिए use करेंगे and cellulase for the plant cell and chitinase for the fungus. Okay. Lysozyme for bacteria. ठीक है, ये एंजाइम्स यूज करेंगे बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस प्रोसीजर. सेकेंड, दैट इज सेल्यूलेज फॉर प्लांट सेल एंड फॉर काइटिनेज फंगस. For fungus, okay. RNA is removed by treatment with ribonuclease, whereas proteins are removed by treatment of protease. Similarly, other molecules can be removed by appropriate treatments. Ultimately, the purified DNA precipitate out after the addition of chilled ethanol. क्या ऐड करेंगे? That is chilled ethanol. तो हमारा DNA क्या हो जाएगा? प्रिसिपिटेट आउट हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड जो भी एक्स्ट्रा उसके साथ अटैच होगा, लाइक बैक्टीरियल सेल है तो हम बाय यूजिंग द लाइसोसोम हम हटा देंगे. प्लांट सेल है तो सेलुलेज एंजाइम यूज़ करेंगे. काइटिनेज है तो फंगस है तो काइटिनेज एंजाइम यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर प्रोटीन प्रोटीएज यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, एंड उसको प्यूरिफाई करेंगे और उसमें हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? चिल्ड इथेनॉल. तो नाउ प्योर फॉर्म ऑफ DNA will precipitate out, and DNA molecules are seen as a collection of fine thread in the suspension. Okay, now second step, cutting of DNA at a specific location. In genetic engineering technique, usually a DNA molecule is broken by restriction enzyme at two desired places to isolate a specific DNA segments, and then this segment is inserted in another DNA molecule at desired position. The joining of DNA involves separate processes: the cutout gene of interest from the source DNA and the cut vector with the space are mixed and ligase is added. The product thus obtained is called the recombinant DNA. Now next step, that is amplification. By using this technique, that is known as PCR. Okay. Now amplification, in this reaction, multiple copies of gene or DNA of interest is synthesized in vitro using two sets of primers and the enzyme DNA polymerase. Which enzyme we use? DNA polymerase. Okay. DNA polymerase, the enzyme extend the primers using the nucleotide provided in the reaction into the genomic DNA as template. The repeated amplification is achieved by use the thermostable DNA polymerase isolated from bacterium Thermus aquaticus. Okay, DNA polymerase isolated from bacteria Thermus aquaticus, which remain active during the high temperature, induce denaturation of double-stranded DNA. The amplified fragment can be used to ligate with a vector for further cloning. Okay,